Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of renovation. The act of improving by renewing and restoring. They are pursuing a general program of renovation to the entire property. Overhaul, redevelopment. The state of being restored to its former good condition. The inn was a renovation of a colonial house. Refurbishment, restoration.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.